Okay, this is a 2024 Honda Pilot. It's the 4th generation of Pilot. Model year began in 2023. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the spark plugs maintenance notification that may be popping up for you. So just changing your spark plugs alone will not reset this notification. You need to come into the home screen here. If you're not there, click on the button in the upper left, home, and then scroll to the right here and click on vehicle settings. And then we're going to go to the right here once more, click on maintenance info and hit select reset items. I have a few going for me here, but scroll down if it's not at the top and click on spark plugs. Would you like to reset maintenance information? And all you need to do is hit that reset button. I'm not going to do it right now because I have not changed my spark plugs, but it's pretty easy to reset it from that screen right there on the 4th generation Honda Pilot. Thanks for watching.